Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 connection. Failed connection could not be fetched by player. And let's get started. So the first thing that you guys have to do is, if you have the application open, go ahead and just close the application. And once you do that, you should open the application to back up again. So basically start the game back up again and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is after that, you restart your PlayStation 5 or Xbox or PC, whatever you're on. Go over to power, hit restart PS5. You can also check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in and check to see if that fixes the issue. Also, make sure that you don't have any system software updates, because if you do, go over to system software update and settings. If you do have the update, go ahead and update it, and if you're updated, then you should be good to go. Then that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.